New to this channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get latest notification about technology.
Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Innovative Age Tech YouTube channel, and in today's video we are going to do an unboxing of Xiaomi smart bulb. Yeah, you heard it correctly, MI smart bulb. So let's get started. So before making this video, let me tell you my friends, on this channel we actually unbox all the smart home stuff and smart techs which works with Alexa and Google Home, and this is one of them. This is a MI smart bulb, and it is a general smart bulb which works with the Alexa voice command and Google Assistant. It has the MI home app compatibility, so basically you have to configure this bulb on the MI home app, and then you have to add that MI home skill to your Alexa or Google Home, and then you can actually use this bulb with your voice command. It has a lot of features, so before going into anything, let's dig it in and see what's inside the package. This package actually came from Amazon. I have opened it from one side to check if the bulb is really there or not, and I found that the packet was a little bit in problem. This is the bill, and on the bill, if you can see, the MRP is basically on the bill the MRP will be like 1099, but it is actually selling for 1299. So let me tell you, it's got in a discount, and it's really having some packaging problem. So let's open it. It should open from this side, but let's fix this side first so that it does not tamper anything, or else we have to open this. Let me open it like this so that I can seal it later. Okay, and I have opened it from this side. I will seal it in a normal way. Let's put the packet aside. Yeah, and here we go. Put the packet in the correct way and put back the seal. Okay, so as you can see, this is the normal orange packing, and let's see the overview of the bulb. On the first, you will find that it is 6 million colors. I will show it to you. 6 million color options, 11 years of long life, mobile app control, and it's MI LED smart bulb, white in color, 10 watt. It's not a 6 watt or 8 watt or 9 watt, it's a 10 watt. And I will tell you my friends, in actual scenario it is like a 9 watt or 8 watt. Okay, then it works with Google Assistant, and it works with Alexa, obviously. Again, branding, this side also branding, top nothing, and bottom you have the code of the seller. Okay, now let's go to the back side. As you can see, MI smart bulb, white in color, product name and product model. Lamp holder is E27. Remember my friend, E27 will not fit into your normal bulb holders, so you have to take this and you have to order this from Amazon. I have already got some couple of pieces of this. It sells for about 200 to 300 rupees depending on the price. Links will be description for this and as well as the bulb. You can get some discount with that, and then you can find the 60 watt is the wattage of the bulb, and obviously input current, color range, and life expectancy. That's for 11 years. What they say, 6 hours daily for 11 years. That is 25,000 hours. And it's a wireless device, as you know. It works only with 2.4. Remember my friend, it doesn't work with 5 gigahertz. But if you have a router which supports both the bands, then it is fine. And see, the MRP is 1499. Yes, that's the correct MRP. That is the MRP which is printed on that, on the packet. But on the stores and all, you will get it in 1299, but in discount you will get it in 1099. So that's cool, 1100 rupees only. Let's see and open the packet. So in the same way, I will try to release the seal here, and I will put it, or I will cut it. That will be the better way. So now I have cut that seal, and here we go. Typical orange packet and Xiaomi packing. The first thing which you will notice is the bulb itself. Here you go, and it's very heavy, my friends. I think so weight will be more than half kg. And you have the user manual. Obviously it will be in English because it's an English version. Okay, it says how to connect to bulb and how to open the app and link the map with the bulb with the Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. Okay, so nothing inside the packet, nothing else inside the packet, only we can find the bulb holders. We'll keep this one aside and let's open the bulb and see what's. Okay, it is a normal plastic packet. First thing you will notice with the bulb is it's the build quality. The build quality is extremely good. There's an MI branding here and some specifications and IS part, basically the rating, and it says made in China. It's not manufactured in India. I know this is an imported device and really cool. I do have other bulbs, other smart bulbs, so I'll make a comparison of that as well. So you have a normal holder. In that you will have to put this bulb like this, and then you can connect this bulb. You can use it in lampshades, you can use it in table lamp and all that things. But if you have a E27 holder, then you can connect it directly, which I do have. So I will be connecting it directly, but I keep this in case we need this bulb to move somewhere else. So we'll connect with our device and we'll see how it works in the next part of the video. Here we will actually, what we will do is we will open the app, my home app, and we'll try to connect the bulb. So now we have opened the MI home app. I have already got the MI camera here. So let's go to the add device. And remember, my friends, it should be connected on Wi-Fi. It should not be on your data. So your home Wi-Fi is the router here. I mean, this is the hub here. So we'll select. We'll select the light and we'll select the bulb. So when you will open the app, it will actually show you and it will actually ask you to connect the light. So we will connect the light here and click on this. Okay, so it will say that you have to turn off the bulb off 5 times for 2 seconds. Okay, so I will be doing that. I have already switched it on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And ideally the light bulb will display a circling multicolored effect. So it is not displayed right now. I will try again. So it has now displayed the color effect. So it went off. Connecting this bulb is a pain. I have heard it. Let's try it once more. So now it has done and we'll click on next. Now it's scanning the device and it has got my Wi-Fi. I'll connect to my Wi-Fi. Next, it is actually connecting to the device. We'll wait till it connect. Device added. We have to click on done. And this is my study room, so I will select my study room, and it is input as MI bulb, me bulb. Okay, sorry, Okay, next, share this device, not required, so agree. So now it can change color and brightness is down and up, down. Okay, yes, it's working. And then we will go switch to color. So let's, okay, red and green, blue. So it is 16 million colors, my friend. So let me show you how it is actually on the bulb.
So this is the bulb itself. I am recording with my other phone. So right now I am changing the color. You can see green, blue, orange, yellow, purple, all those colors. So now let's ask Alexa to do it. Before that, we have to configure the device in Alexa. The Alexa will pick up this device. So let's see that first.
So now we have opened Alexa and we will try to get this device. We'll get this device in the study room. So I've clicked on the study room. It takes some time. Okay, so here it is not showing it off now. So let's go and add devices. So my camera is there, but my bulb is not there. So add a device. It will auto scan the things basically. So you have to put on light, mi home. So it is actually discovering devices. It takes a little bit time to discover the devices. And yes, Amazon Echo has started its work. It will get finished up in just few seconds, and then we may give the commands. So 16 million colors, my friends, is a good actually for a small study or living room. And it's not as bright as your tube light and all. It's a 10 watt, but its light is equivalent to 8 or 9 watt that I have seen. So that's one thing of it. So yeah, it has got one device. Choose group. I will choose the obviously my study room and add to the group. So mi bulb has been added, and now when you go, you can find the mi bulb here. So what we'll give a command is Alexa, turn off mi bulb. Alexa, turn off mi bulb. Yeah, it turned off. Alexa, turn on mi bulb. Alexa, turn on mi bulb. The response is good. I will show you in real way, in real scenario.
So in the real scenario, it is like this. Alexa, turn off mi bulb. So it turned off. Alexa, turn on mi bulb. Now we'll change the color. Alexa, set mi bulb to red color. Okay. Alexa, set mi bulb to yellow color. Okay. Sounds good, and it is actually working with Alexa. Even it will work with Google Home. So this is the mi bulb. We will change the brightness level. Alexa, set mi bulb to 10%. Okay, it has dimmed the lights. So this is good for your mood and all, and it's all voice controlled, as you can see. So that's all for this video, my friends. Keep watching and do subscribe our channel. Here on this channel you get exclusive videos on smart devices with installation and demo. which you will not get on any other else channel. So please subscribe this channel and keep sharing our videos. Thank you once again.